What is going on, everybody? Grayson here from Profit, and I regret to inform you guys that I am going to be selling a lot of my Pokemon investments. The time has come. I got to move on from some of these. The Sword and Shield era, which I'm sure a lot of you guys know me, I was, I guess I should say, I'm not anymore, but I was a massive advocate of Chilling Reign, Brilliant Stars, Fusion, Evolving. Guys, these sets haven't done anything for like 7 months, okay? That's basically a century in our hobby. You're just seeing no growth in the Sword and Shield era. At the same time, if you look at something like Obsidian Flames, look at this. It went from 290 up to 350. I mean, that's like $60 a box. I could have been making all of these gains in Obsidian Flames, but instead, I was invested in chilling. Brilliant. Fusion. I mean, look at Fusion. Do the 1 month chart here. It's down. You're losing money investing in Fusion Strike. Evolving. I mean, sure, it's rebounded here, but it's basically flat since November. It's not doing anything. The box is already, I don't even know what it'd be, 15 times MSRP. Like, who's buying this? Nobody's buying Evolving anymore. Okay, but if you look at something like Shrouded Fable, which is my new favorite set of all time, $47 for a booster bundle. Guys, everyone can afford $47. And look at this too. If we do the 1 month chart here, look at that. I mean, we're seeing some crazy growth here. 1.59% too. 3 months, 18.5%. I mean, where are you finding that in the Sword and Shield era? You're not, guys. You're not. So Shrouded Fable, this is in my opinion, one of the better plays right now. And that's why I'm going all in. I'm selling all my Sword and Shield. I'm buying Shrouded Fable. I'm buying Obsidian Flames. Okay, the cases are in the mail. And I think I'm going to outperform everybody over the next 5 years in these sets. And then one more thing that I want to share with you guys. And, I was thinking about keeping this a secret, gatekeeping it behind my Discord and the consults and everything. But I'm going to share it with you guys. I feel generous. Perfect Order. Now, hear me out. Look, nobody is looking at Perfect Order right now. The line's going down, sure. Maybe that's not a good sign to some of you guys, but what I see, graph go down, less attention on it, more opportunity. Okay, so I'm looking at Perfect Order, and I think there could be a play here as well. I think you could be picking some of this up. When we look at some of these cards too, they're fairly cheap, right? The Gold Zygarde, $185. Who wouldn't love a $185 card? Meowth? Everyone loves Team Rocket and Meowth. I mean, we grew up with Meowth. The Zygarde, I like the colors. It's nice and shiny. And then you have Rosa. I mean, top waifus, like, you can't go wrong. This is an S tier set in my opinion. So that's really what I wanted to talk about today. I'm going to go heavy into these new investments. I think it's going to work out for me. I think you're silly if you're not going all in on Shrouded Fable. That's ultimately the best play right now. And if you're looking at the Sword and Shield era, I mean, all of these sets are just flat. Like, what a boring week, right? Sword and Shield base, not really doing too much. Just to give you some context, guys, all of these sets were either up or down less than a percentage point, essentially. Maybe there was one set that was up 1.1% or something. So no movement in the Sword and Shield era. Sales volume was, for most sets, actually down a little bit this week. A couple sets were higher sales volume, like Lost Origin, around 2.5 boxes per day on eBay. Buy it now. But for the most part, nobody's buying this because nobody likes Sword and Shield. And it's ultimately going to go probably to zero at some point. I suspect all these boxes are going to retrace. They'll probably hit MSRP. They'll probably go to 50% MSRP. And if you're interested, right, and you want to get into, some of the better plays that I'm hopping into, like Shrouded Fable, Obsidian, I know guys that will buy your whole collection, Sword and Shield, probably 60 to 65% you can get out now. So if you're interested in selling, definitely reach out to me. But that's what I'm doing. And for you guys who are curious about the Sword and Shield era, there you go. Now, in terms of other investments that I'm looking at, we'll touch on that here in a second. But if you guys enjoy the content, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on the video. It helps out a ton getting these videos pushed out to more people. It helps us as a community, guys, as a community spread the message, spread the gospel that is Shrouded Fable and Obsidian Flames. And no, we're not going to be talking about battle styles because that is unfortunately part of the Sword and Shield era, which means it is tainted goods. Do not invest in battle styles, but these other sets, absolutely fine. Now, a couple more sets I want to talk about. Prismatic Evolutions, Ascended Heroes. I think these could be all right investments. They could be okay. I mean, definitely not as good as Obsidian, Shrouded Fable, Perfect Order, but if you want to buy these, okay, I guess there's reasons why you could be excited, you know. When we look at Prismatic, sure, reprint, restock, prices coming down, that might be a good idea to take advantage of. The SPCs coming down in price now, $320. Those might get to 200, 250 depending on how many we actually get. Bundles are still 75, 80 bucks, right? In a pretty solid range there. So I think Prismatic, it's a pretty decent opportunity. Again, not as good as Shrouded Fable and Obsidian, but it's all right. The other thing, Ascended Heroes, $127 in ETB. You guys know I have some of this, and I am very optimistic now about what's coming for Ascended Heroes. You know, my guess is by the end of 2026, I am going to have a decent amount more Ascended in my portfolio than I do currently, and more than likely some other products, not just the sealed ETB cases. So I think these are actually decent buys right now. I'm sure most of you guys picked up this is an April Fool's video. I feel like I do have to mention it, which maybe takes away from the appeal of the video. I apologize, but you know, we're obviously just messing around a little bit. In all seriousness, the Sword and Shield era, most of it really isn't moving, right? It was just a very average week. Few sales here and there, nothing crazy. We're not seeing 4 boxes moving per day for Brilliant. It was back down to around 2 or something. I will note, I think Chilling, there were only like 6 sales by it now over the past 7 days. 4 of those were in the last 24 hours, which again, like, it could just be an outlier one day, somebody trying to buy some boxes. But if that's signs of things to come, maybe we see Sword and Shield eventually turn around. You still have fairly high top 10 values in a lot of these sets. Chilling, I think, I want to say it's still over $1,000 top 10 value. Lost Origin, I think, is right there on the cusp, like $1,000 to $1,005. Fusion's obviously a little bit better, and Evolving we don't have to touch on. Some of the other sets, Brilliant, you're down a little ways, like $700 in that range, which is kind of equivalent to like Paldean or Paldea Evolve, excuse me. What else would be in there? Twilight Masquerade, Searching Sparks, in that range. So they're still decent sets. I just don't know what's going to happen with them. And in all seriousness, I am more than likely going to be moving some Chilling and, of course, some Astral Radiance later this year and moving that into newer stuff, whether it's Black Bolt, White Flare, more Ascended, Prismatic. It's going to be going somewhere else where I think a lot more attention is, a lot more demand is, of course, right now. And yeah, that's really all I wanted to get to in this video. I hope you guys are having a great week. Hopefully no one really took this video seriously. I always worry putting out content like this, someone's going to watch the first minute or two, think that I'm a complete idiot, and then just never watch another video again. Or even worse than that, someone would watch the first few minutes and then actually act on what I'm saying and buy some Obsidian or Shrouded Fable. So it is what it is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Stay safe wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you in the next one.